everyone, hope you are fine and doing well. In my today's video I will tell you about if the hotspot or the Wi-Fi is not working of your device Vivo Y01, how you can solve this problem. Before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So now let's move to the topic. If the hotspot or Wi-Fi of your device is not working, you can solve this by the method as I am showing in this video. So you have to follow the steps and watch complete video, and you will learn how you can solve the hotspot and Wi-Fi problem in your device Vivo Y01. Let's watch the video.